So this video starts with a very quick story. My dad built my niece, so of course his granddaughter, a kitchen. And my dad doesn't do anything to mark his work, doesn't sign it, doesn't have anything on it. And of course, there's always the possibility that she'll continue to have this well into her 20s or more. So who knows if her kid will end up actually playing with it. So I wanted to make up a quick sign that gets added on, a little plaque that shows that it's Isabella's kitchen, and that it has a little thing saying it was made by Papa in 2023. That was because it was actually a Christmas gift last year. And I've been thinking of making this since then. So this was the first time kind of sitting down and properly doing something. Now I mostly just stole everything I could when it came to nice kind of shapes and thingies and text for all this. But I think it came out amazing. It's also a switch in the filament, so it's not painted or anything like that. There's nothing to wear out. It is black, then goes to white filament for the higher parts, and it just looks amazing. This means it should last a very long time. It might even outlast the kitchen, in fact. But I am extremely happy with how it came out. It's simple, it's small, it's nothing particularly incredible or anything like that, but there's always a chance that in a long time from now, this will still be doing its job of marking it as Isabella's kitchen. And we'll see. Hopefully, I'll still be around. But yeah. And there it is on the final piece. Now, I'm going to let my dad actually mount it, see what he does with it. But this is the little kitchen that it will end up on. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching.